Have you ever recorded footage on an iPhone for a project, only to find out that when you put it into Premiere that your footage was overexposed and washed out, but you know it wasn't really? The key is to change your settings on your phone before you record. Here's what you need to do. In your settings, locate the camera section, then tap on Record Video. Make sure to, at a minimum, be at 1080p HD 30 frames per second, but we're going to choose 60 frames per second. That way, if we choose to slow down any of our footage, it'll look a little smoother. If you have plenty of storage space and you want a higher quality image, then you can record at 4K 60 frames per second. But for most of the projects, we're going to be at 1080p HD 60 frames per second. Now this is the key to make sure you don't have that overexposed looking footage. Scroll down to find HDR video, and we want to cut that feature off. Then go back to your settings under camera, scroll down to composition and make sure you turn your grid on so you'll be able to see your rule of thirds areas. And now with all of those settings changed, you'll be ready to record your video on your iPhone, and when you put it back into Premiere, it won't look overexposed or washed out.